big development that has taken place, and it is in fact a relief to Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, but only partial, because the Supreme Court has granted bail to the Chief Minister and the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court has referred his petition challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate to a larger bench, a bench that comprises of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta have been referred Kejriwal's petition to a larger bench in order to examine the question whether the need or necessity of arrest must be read as a condition into Section 19 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Arvind Kejriwal will, however, remain in judicial custody. Meanwhile, it is Member of Parliament Bansuri Swaraj who has trained guns at Aam Aadmi Party and asked Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to resign from his post as Chief Minister. Shubh Rana on the telecast with me. Shubh, if you could shed more light into this big development. It is, I would say, partial relief for Arvind Kejriwal because he still continues to be in judicial custody because the CBI probe continues.
Yes, definitely, Megha. All eyes now on the High Court because Arvind Kejriwal. It must be correct to say that there is a 50-50 win for Aam Aadmi Party and the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal because granting interim bail by the Supreme Court in the matter of PMLA by ED is a big win because Aam Aadmi Party has been on their nerves because this matter was very serious on the charges of the liquor scam because since he have been granted the interim bail, now if he would be granted bail on July 17, it would not be wrong if we say that Arvind Kejriwal can be out. And this would not only impact Aam Aadmi Party politics, but the upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections. And trust me when I say Vidhan Sabha elections, which are 6 months later, there would be every vote is casted on the name of Arvind Kejriwal, and if he would be out, the dynamics of the election would
So what exactly has the Supreme Court said? Because the case has now been ordered by the Supreme Court to be presented by a bench who's going to further look into the entire case.
There would be a bench of 3 judges who would be looking after into this entire matter. Until then, the matter would be looked by them till the time being. Arvind Kejriwal is granted interim bail. And you know, the matter today seems to be very strong because the advocate of Arvind Kejriwal, Abhishek Manu Singh, we have asked that on what ground the Chief Minister was arrested, was it really necessary? And Supreme Court has said that since Arvind Kejriwal is the Chief Minister of Delhi, so it is important for him to, to just know the information. Yes, Megha.
Okay, all right, Shubh. Thank you for joining us. The big statement that has come from the Supreme Court is that Arvind Kejriwal has suffered incarceration for over 90 days and the issue involves the right to life and the liberty of any individual. So this case is obviously gone in favor of Arvind Kejriwal. That's quite the relief. And it is going to be further challenged by his counsel over the statement that has been made, over the order that has come from the Supreme Court. It is a fresh lease of life that has been given to the Delhi Chief Minister. Meanwhile, there are a lot of political reactions pouring into this story. Let's take a look.
केजरीवाल के जो नए सहयोगी हैं लालू यादव, उनको भी अंतरिम बेल मिली थी, लेकिन बाद में कन्विक्टेड हुए, जेल में जाना पड़ा। शराब नीति में जो घोटाला, जो चोरी आम आदमी पार्टी ने की है, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने की है, उसमें वो दोषी हैं। उन्होंने चोरी की है, लगातार उसका साक्ष्य जांच न्यायालय के सामने रख रही है और उस पर निर्णय अभी बाकी है। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि एक बार पूरा निर्णय आ जाए, इनके घोटालों की परत दर परत खुल रही है, इनके कई सारे नेता उस घोटाले में शामिल है, वो सबके सामने आएगा।
हाँ, आम आदमी पार्टी जनता को और मीडिया को गुमराह कर रही है। माननीय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जो पिटिशन थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, चाहे वो ट्रायल कोर्ट हो, चाहे हाई कोर्ट हो, चाहे सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो, उनकी प्रेयर थी कि आप मेरी अरेस्ट को अवैध डिक्लेयर करिए। लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनकी इस प्रेयर पर कोई राहत नहीं दी है, बल्कि इस मैटर को एक लार्जर बेंच को रिफर कर दिया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने तो एक सील ऑफ अप्रूवल लगाई है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये पाया है कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शराब घोटाले में मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग के ऑफेंस के गिल्टी हैं, दोषी हैं और इसीलिए ये भी कहा कि सेक्शन 19 पीएमएलए की सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स फुलफिल होती हैं, इसीलिए आईओ उनको अरेस्ट कर सकते थे। ये जो इंटरिम बेल मिली है ये बस इसलिए मिली है क्योंकि एक पॉइंट ऑफ लॉ लार्जर बेंच को भेजा गया है। लार्जर बेंच की सुनवाई में थोड़ा समय लगता है, लेकिन आप ये देखिए जो कंडीशंस लगाई हैं वो वही कंडीशंस हैं जो 10 मई के ऑर्डर में थी, यानी ना वो सीएम के ऑफिस जा सकते हैं, ना माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी किसी फाइल पे साइन कर सकते हैं।
KC Sharma on the telecast, he's the BJP spokesperson. KC Sharma, what do you have to say? Because the Supreme Court has ordered interim bail and has transferred Arvind Kejriwal's case to a bench of judges because, according to the Supreme Court, Arvind Kejriwal has already suffered incarceration for 90 days and this issue involves right to life, liberty of an individual.
From my point of view, we welcome the decision because this decision is showing two things clearly. One is Kejriwal is involved in this liquid scheme, and if you see the conditions are remain same. So he will remain the CM without any power. So he cannot sign, he cannot go to the CM office. So what he will do? Why he's making Delhi administration suffer? Until he comes clear, he should.
Yeah, but then you know, the verdict that has come, the order that has been issued by the Supreme Court over here, and particularly this comes as a shock. This is also putting the Enforcement Directorate on the back foot over here. Their case becomes less stronger. And this is, like I said, a setback to the Enforcement Directorate. The Supreme Court has questioned the Enforcement Directorate that how can you put a person behind bars? This is a question of their liberty, right to their life.
So that is fine. I don't want to comment on a Supreme Court. Supreme Court can ask and ED has to be response. But the thing is, from our point of view and people point of view, whether Kejriwal is involved or not, Kejriwal is involved. He's not clear. So even Supreme Court.
No, it is an allegation that Arvind Kejriwal is involved in the case. It has not been proven, and until it is proven, the man is not guilty as per the rule of the law. And the Supreme Court comes down and said, practically saying that there has been no evidence, no proof that has been found to continue to put Arvind Kejriwal behind bars.
Please let me complete. If Supreme Court find nothing, then Supreme Court should have given the unconditional bail. It's a conditional bail, which clearly shows like Supreme Court has not provided him the clean chit. The clean chit has not been given. It means as per the law, he's involved.
Sharma ji, when the High Court refused to grant Arvind Kejriwal bail, it was the Supreme Court who questioned, who was surprised and shocked to know that why was the interim bail not granted by the High Court, and therefore obviously his counsel is knocked at the doors of the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has very directly spoken about why it was wrong, it was illegal to put Arvind Kejriwal behind bars. It has been over 90 days. The man needs to be given a bail on the condition there is no proof whatsoever that has been at this point of time brought forth to light by the Enforcement Directorate.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.